Hey guys, Mr. Shamrock here. Today we'll be doing a brand new video. And today we will be checking out my mom's new car. That's right. She got a new car. It is an Infiniti Q34. I'm not that sure. I don't know too much about it. Although she did give it a name. Her name is Sky, and anyways, I hope you all have fun. So, my mom's car, is teal. It's really luxurious, and not to brag, but it has two TV screens and internet access. So, yeah, I hope you. Without further ado, grab some trial mix, and let's get right into the video. Oh, mind if I have some. Oh, jeez. Oh, good. Alright, so we're gonna go downstairs and that's my stairway down there. And oh yeah, this is just my red wall. It's a red wall. My daddy's sleeping. Let's go down here. This is my garage. That's my garage. There's another row upstairs. That's all the sodas that we have. Sodas. My snacks. You can have some gum right now. Alright, you guys ready for this? You guys ready? Yeah, this is my mom's car. Just look how beautiful that is. Okay, so here it is. It is a 3.0T. I have no idea why that is for. Headlights on the mirrors. More lights. Infinity symbol. It's just gorgeous. Check it out. Here and here. It's an Infiniti Q50. So let's open the trunk. Love that sound. We don't have really anything in here. Still, it's a really nice trunk. Alright, in my other video, I'm just gonna show you guys what it feels like to drive inside. Let's look inside. But yeah, my goodness, look how beautiful this is. I mean, oh my god. What the frick? Right there. And there's a start-stop engine. So you don't need a key. Fun fact, the key actually, can turn on the car from a distance. Yep, you heard me right. You can turn on the car. So, let's get back. Yeah, let's get back to, my recording office and finish out the rest of the. Don't mind if I take a little tour. You guys don't mind if I give you a tour through my house? Such a beautiful car. Okay, so you already saw this. What? She's probably getting dressed. What? Oh, she's in the bathroom. Can I come in? Alright. So just don't look in the bathroom. Whatever.
Don't come close to the bathroom because the door's open.
Okay. Where's the puppy?
He's in here.
Oh my gosh. Can you tell him?
Donovan. Where's he, Donovan?
Come on, Hudson. Come. Hudson, stop. No. Hudson. My dog loves to go downstairs. Because that's where his bed is. Hi, Hudson. Hi. You're so cute. Oh, yes, you are. You're so freaking cute. Scratchy, scratch. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. So yeah, that's it for today's video. You could put your trial mix back in the kitchen. And to finish off this video, I will eat a yellow M&M. Oh, God. No. My M&M. A yellow M&M.